Hello friends, in this video we will see how we can calculate the enthalpy of liquid mixture by using LabVIEW. So we know the enthalpy of liquid mixture is nothing but this is a function of Cp into T. So the Cp is nothing but this is your specific heat and T is a temperature and Cp is also the function of temperature. So we know the relation the Cp that is equal to A plus B into T plus. So this is actually the options here actually either the temperature in your degree centigrade, then we'll convert into this Kelvin. So that's why I'm just taking the 273 plus C into T plus 273 square, and so on will can take this terms up to this power 3 4 and so on. Okay, so while using both these two expression I'm trying to calculate this liquid enthalpy here. So for that we need the first of all A, B and C coefficient. So for that I am taking three array 1 2 3. So this is for the coefficient A, this is for coefficient B, and this one I'm choosing for coefficient C. So one by one I'll just enter the values of A, B and C coefficient of a given system, and the system is benzene, toluene and xylene. So now I'm just now next is similarly I'll write the values of C. Next is 0.36709. Okay, so once I'll enter all the values of the coefficient A, B and C, then I'll use this expression and try to find out this Cp value here actually. And here we need one temperature at which we are going to calculate this enthalpy of this mixture. So here I take again one more constant. Okay, so now I'll go back for this expression. So what I'm doing here, I'll just copy and paste on this back, so easily we can design according to this expression. So this is nothing but here actually we have this numeric and here plus, so I'll just add this one, add one constant for changing the degree centigrade to Kelvin. So and now this is multiply with this B, so I'll just put here and take one more multiply operator, so this B into T, and here actually this is a square, so I'll take one more from here, this is a square, and whatever B the answer is coming, and that I'll multiply with this C, and then we'll add all these three, so we have multiple ports to add. So now I'll take this indicator, and this indicator is nothing but it will give you the value of the CP. So once we know the value of the CP, so for that I'll go back here and check the value of the CP. I'll run it, and then we can get the value of CP from here. So we can, okay, okay. So now here we have to multiply with this temperature, and it will give you next to HL. So here this will be HL, and how we can calculate. So for that I'm taking multiple operator, CP, it's multiply with its temperature. So I'll just multiply this here, and now I'll just connect with this one. So this will give you HL, or we can say liquid enthalpy. Okay, here it is coming the 0 because we are taking this temperature 0, but if I'll take, suppose this is 273, then you can get this liquid enthalpy here. And now this is the liquid enthalpy of each component, actually the benzene, toluene, Joule. But here suppose we are going to calculate the enthalpy of liquid mixture. So for that we should know one more data, that is what is the composition of, like that. So here we have to check liquid composition. So here actually I'll take, suppose 0.3, 0.3, 0.4. So this is liquid composition is assigned, and now here expression to find out the enthalpy of liquid mixture. So for that we have to multiply the individual enthalpy with its mole fraction, enthalpy into mole fraction, and then we'll combine it all. So here I'll using the same logic. So this is your liquid composition, and this liquid composition is multiply with your whatever the liquid enthalpies we are getting. So I'll take multiply, I simply multiply this one, and from here if we'll see, then we have one matrix. So now we have to add all the elements of this matrix. So for that I'm taking add array elements. So here actually I'm taking this option, and this option will give you the addition of all the elements, and I'll take this is so this is your give you liquid mixture enthalpy. So now I'll go back here, and from here I'll just increase the size. So that means what, so now I'll simply, no, here actually connection is break, so I'll just remove this wire, and from here I'll simply run and you'll check. So this is the liquid enthalpy of your given mixture here actually. So this is the way through which we can find out the enthalpy of individual liquid as well as the enthalpy of mixture of liquids here actually. So thank you friends. If you like it, then please share and subscribe with your friends.